Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sneha Jagdish Pudihar. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Subject name is Introduction to Python Program and subject code is BPLCK105B. Section is Infinity USN 23EC1977 and topic is String and Tuple. Introduction to string and tuple. String and tuple are the two data types in a programming languages. Strings are used to store and manipulate the text data. Tuples are used to store a collection of the different data types. String basics. String are the enclosed in a single or double quotes. They can be concatenated using the plus operator. String methods can be used to manipulate and format string data. String operations. String indexing allows the accessing individual characters in a string. String slicing allows the extracting a portion of a string. String methods like a upper, lower and replace the can modify the string data. Common string methods. The len method returns the length of a string. The split method splits has a string into a list of a substrings. The join method joins a list of a strings into a single string. Example 1. Message 1 is equal to hello, ChatGPT. Example 2. Message 2 is equal to Python is a versatile programming language. Example 3. Quote is equal to in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Example 4. Username is equal to user 1, 2, 3. Accessing the tuple elements. Tuple elements can be accessed using the indexing similar to strings. Tuples can also be unpacked into individual variables. Nested tuples can be accessed using the multiple levels of the indexing. Tuple basics. Tuples are enclosed in a parenthesis. They can contain any type of data including the strings, numbers and other tuples. Tuples are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed once they are defined. Tuple operations. Tuples can be concatenated using the plus operator. They can be repeated using the operator. String versus tuple. Strings are the mutable, meaning their values can be changed. Tuples are the immutable, making them suitable for the storing the constant data. Strings are used for the next manipulation, while tuples are used for the grouping related data. Common tuple methods. The count method returns the number of the occurrences of a value in a tuple. The index. The method returns the index of the first occurrence of a value in a tuple. The sorted function can be used to sort a tuple. Example 1. Coordinates 1 is equal to bracket 3, 4 close bracket. Example 2. Mixed tuple is equal to bracket apple, 3, true, 2.5 bracket close. Example 3. Point slash 3d is equal to bracket 1.5, 2.0, minus 0.5 close the bracket. Example 4. Student slash information is equal to bracket allies, 20, computer science close the bracket. Conclusion. In a conclusion, strings and tuples are the important data types in a programming. Understanding their properties and operations is crucial for effective programming. By using strings and tuples efficiently, programmers can manipulate and store data effectively. Note, this is a sample presentation outline and can be customized as per your requirements and performance. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe.